Hi everyone. In this video, I will explore what is AI agents versus what is LLM agents in a simple and easy to understand way. If you are a student, beginner or tech enthusiast, this video is made just for you. So what you will going to learn in this video is what is your AI agent, what is your an LLM agents, and what is the cycle of both AI and LLM agents. And I also showcase to you some real time of or real world examples for your better understanding, and we will learn about the key differences of AI agent and LLM agent and why this video is important for you. So AI agents and LLM agents are shaping the future of technology from self-driving cars to smart chatbots. So understanding these concepts will help you stay ahead in AI, machine learning and future careers. So it is really going to be helpful for you. This video and the upcoming sessions all will going to help you and obviously boost in your career. So basically, what is AI agent? So an AI agent is an intelligent system that can perceive, reason, act. What actually the meaning of this? And work independently to achieve a goal. So this is a cycle of AI agent: perceive, reason, and act. So how an AI agent works? I can define you, or I can describe you that it perceives, collect information from environment. It means that it's gathering the information from its surrounding environment to what to do. That will be a reason. And about what to do means that it's gathered the information from its environment about what to do to achieve its goal. So that you can say that an AI agent observes, think and act on its own way. I can give an real-time example of it, like self-driving car perceives traffic and signals, reasons about safety, acts by braking or steering. So what we understand from this is like it detects traffic lights, cars, and it decides when to stop, move or turn, and it applies the brakes or accelerates to increase the speed or decrease the speed. So this is a self-driving car in example of AI agent, which is, you can say that it is a rule based as well. So what we understand from here is that it works independently or autonomous, or you can say it is a goal oriented, and decision making ability can be rule based or learning based. Basically AI agents, we are talking about the AI agents. Okay, now we will understand more on the LLM agent side. So you will get to know more about what is the difference between LLM and AI agents. Okay, so an AI agent that uses a large language model to understand reasons and act using natural language, called LLM based AI agents. Okay, it means that LLM agent utilizing the services same way the AI agent is using, means AI agent services, and the cycle of AI agent like perceive, reason and act. Okay, plus it using the natural language. I can give an example of like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, like that. How an LLM agent works? So it perceives user input in natural language, reason using the language model, act by responding or using tools. So what we understand from here is like it understands human language input, uses the language model to think, plan and decide, and generates text, uses tools or perform tasks. We can understand more with some real life examples, like AI research assistant understands questions, generate explanations and summarize it. So the very famous example I can give it, like if you tell any agent to book the cheapest flight to Delhi or maybe Hyderabad or maybe Bangalore, so what it will going to do is it understand the from the human language what is the requirement and information. It gathers the information and then it uses its language model. It think, plan and decide how he will going to do that, and then it gives you the result. Maybe it needs to backend side, it will going to do a API call, it will going to compare the price, everything he'll going to do it. So that will be your LLM agents. So you can understand from here that AI agent rule model based reasoning, which has certain rule, perform the action on that, but LLM agent having the AI agent plus language, its own language based reasoning, and LLM agents are more flexible and human like. Okay, so we can summarize all this like AI agents perceive, reason, act. LLM agent, AI agent means it utilizing the perceive, reason, act cycle from the AI agent and plus language, human language, to understanding, for better understanding, to give the output. Both work autonomously to achieve goal. I hope it is really clear for you that what is AI agent and LLM agents.